Why the 16-inch MacBook Pro won't be released this year. If you were waiting for the MacBook lineup update this year, it looks like you will have to hold back the deferred money. Apple plans to introduce a new MacBook model with a scissors keyboard only at the end of the second quarter or the beginning of the third quarter of 2020. That is, not earlier than WWDC 2020. What is the reason for such a serious delay? When the 16-inch MacBook Pro comes out. In a new note for TF International Securities, analyst Ming-Chi Kuo mentioned that Taiwan-based maker Wistron will be the main supplier of parts for the scissor keyboards in 2020. Apple does not yet have a supplier, although the development of a new computer has already been completed, the expert notes. According to him, Apple does not want to release the MacBook with a butterfly keyboard again, as users often complain that the keys on such computers are printed on the screen. In general, the corporation had too many problems with the butterfly, and even had to launch the official repair program. Users just need to contact the nearest service center and make a free replacement. It is unclear whether this delay concerns the rumored 16-inch MacBook Pro, which was due to be released this year. There was some hope that Apple would announce the release of the laptop with a press release, but this did not happen. Apparently, Apple is really no longer going to use the butterfly mechanism on MacBook keyboards, which is why the delay is associated. The butterfly mechanism itself has no design flaws, at least in an ideal environment. The keys are pressed over the entire area, the key travel is small but reliable. All the shortcomings, as is usually the case, were manifested in real use cases. It turned out that the keys are not really protected, just enough small particles to get inside, and the sticking of the buttons is provided. Apple did a tremendous job on the mechanism itself, but did nothing to protect it. You can solve the problem with the mechanism quite easily, you just need to slightly increase the thickness of the mechanism and, accordingly, the MacBook case, just a couple of millimeters. And until this happens, in some cases the keyboard will be printed on the screen. Kuo previously claimed that in 2020 Apple would transfer its entire line of laptops to a scissor switch keyboard, including all MacBook Pro and MacBook Air models. The latest MacBook Pro with scissors was released in 2015 before Apple switched to the problematic butterfly mechanism.